Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make Dodge Challenger V6 louder, full guide. Start by checking local noise laws and vehicle warranty implications, then choose an approach: catback, axle back, headers, or resonator delete. Gather parts, basic tools, and protective gear, and prepare a safe workspace with jack stands. I will walk you through selecting parts, simple bolt-on swaps, and tips to avoid common mistakes, so you get the sound you want safely and reliably. To make your Challenger V6 louder, bolt-on upgrades are the easiest starting point and most reversible option. Pick a catback that matches your sound goal, install a high-flow muffler, or remove packing from existing components, and swap exhaust tips for changed resonance. I will explain fitting steps, common hardware and gasket choices, plus how to test for leaks and verify hanger alignment, so the system sounds strong without rattles or undue vibration after installation. If you are finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making practical car content. Quick recommendation: the new Kindle Paperwhite is awesome for reading manuals and installation guides right in the garage, and it's light enough to hold while you wrench. Check the description for the Kindle link and other deals I mentioned so you can grab tools and parts affordably. Now let's get back to the video. Advanced modifications can yield the most dramatic sound changes, but they require planning and some mechanical skill. Headers and long tube designs increase volume and mid-range character, while resonator deletes sharpen tone. Combine these with a tuned catback for a fuller result. I will cover how to assess fitment issues, when engine tuning may be needed, and the importance of checking for leaks and sensor alerts so you achieve a powerful, reliable sound without surprises on the road.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.